Hello there, folks, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you kitchen aficionados out there.
If you're in the market for the best air fryer oven for large families, you've come to the right place. Introducing the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven Combo with French door. This kitchen powerhouse isn't just your ordinary air fryer. It's a versatile cooking solution that's perfect for families looking to elevate their everyday meals.
Let's dive right in and discover what makes it so exceptional. First off, one of the standout features of this air fryer oven is its build quality. Unlike some other models with plastic doors, the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 is constructed with a sturdy stainless steel frame. Not only does this give it a sleek and modern look, but it also adds durability to ensure this appliance lasts for years to come. Now, let's talk about cleaning. We all know how important it is to have an easy-to-clean kitchen appliance. The Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 doesn't disappoint in this department. The stainless steel interior and removable accessories make cleaning a breeze. No more scrubbing for hours. Just wipe it down, and you're good to go. But what truly sets this air fryer oven apart is its dual-zone cooking capability. Yes, you heard that right, 2 cooking zones. This means you can cook 2 different dishes simultaneously at different temperatures, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Perfect for those family gatherings or busy weeknight dinners. Navigating your way through the cooking process is a piece of cake with the intuitive touch control panel. It offers a wide range of cooking presets, including options like air fry, bake, roast, and more. You can even use it for defrosting, grilling, or slow cooking. It's like having 10 kitchen appliances all in one. Now, let's talk about size. With a whopping 25-quart capacity, this air fryer oven can handle those big family meals without breaking a sweat. Whether you're roasting a whole chicken or baking a pizza, you've got the space you need to feed your hungry clan. And let's not forget about the French door design. Not only does it look elegant, but it's also incredibly practical. The doors open wide, making it easy to access your dishes and check on your cooking progress without having to reach over a hot oven door. So, to sum it up, the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 Air Fryer Oven Combo with French door is the best air fryer oven for large families. It's built to last, easy to clean, and offers dual-zone cooking for ultimate convenience. With its extensive preset options and generous cooking capacity, it's a versatile addition to any kitchen. That's it for today's review, folks. If you're interested in getting your hands on this fantastic kitchen appliance, check out the link in the description below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!